for the third straight day, you saw the markets which were on an absolute tear. In fact, it was the exit polls which showed the Narendra Modi-led NDA on the course for victory in the Lok Sabha elections, and that's what largely drove the rally in today's session, backed by very strong volume activity. In fact, you had the Sensex, which has gained 1,500 points in the last three sessions itself today, to scale an all-time record high of 24,000 during intraday trades, to end the day at 23,871. Ditto was the case with the Nifty, which also breached some crucial psychological levels on the upside to end close to the day's high. And today was certainly when all the broader markets also shone in trade. It was the BSE mid and small cap indices which went on to outperform. Power, consumer durables, oil and gas, all of them really supported the move today, and it was pharma which was the only sector which was a bit dull. BHEL, in fact, was one of your star performers in the session, gaining a whopping 10%. Hero MotoCorp followed suit. Ambuja Cements and Bank of Baroda, after a good set of numbers, was in the green. BHEL was clearly a star. The cabinet is likely to rectify the 4.6% stake sale, and ahead of that, the counter was active. Tata Motors incidentally hit a fresh 52-week high after the JLR sales came in up very strong by a good 30% in the April global sales data. China drove the growth as the company posted 72% rise in the sales, but it petered off. Adani Enterprises won an order from NTPC to supply 8.4 lakh tons of coal, and the counter was clearly in the limelight on the upside. You also had HCL Technologies winning an order from Novartis for global infra management, and the counter was pretty upbeat today. NTPC was on a tear. In fact, it gained a good 16% during intraday trades. That was the highest that we saw, I think, since 2011, but it came off significantly. They've ended the contract with Thies Mines India. IOC clearly active on the back of raising the retail diesel prices by 1 rupee per litre. And on the downside, you had a Punjab National Bank disastrous set of numbers. Dr. Reddy's ditto was the case. Ken India was muted, and you also had Hindalco, which was down and out.